Hello. Now we see in the history and applications called computer networks, MAC protocol. uh, all that we seen in some different videos. Now we moving one step ahead. That is the IEEE standards, electrical and electronic standard. That is 802.11b. That is the we are calling wireless LAN, the local area network. This technology is fast growing market. Some introducing the flexibility in wireless access into office, home or production environments. In contrast, technologies till we described in previous some points, it having some good advantages, that is the flexibility, having planning, design, robustness, cost, as well as it having the some disadvantages also, that is the quality of services, some proprietary solutions, restrictions, safety and security, as well as some global operations, low power, license free operations. It will be some disadvantages also, some advantages also. We'll see the stepwise. What is the unique about the wireless? That is the unique about the wireless, that is the interference and noise. Full connectivity cannot be assumed. Some hidden terminal problems. Some battery usage requires some power management. That is the device communicating via LAN are typical also wireless devices running on battery power. It designs into some implements special power saving modes, some special power saving modes and power management functions. There is a no additional cabling should be necessary for the network in some buildings. Next one, the security. The security purpose, the wireless LAN should be safe to operate, especially regarding low radiations. For example, in hospitals, the users cannot keep safety distances to antenna. The equipment has to safe for some pacemakers. The network should also take into account user privacy. It should not be possible to collect roaming profiles. Some requirements of wireless standards, that is the medium access protocol to support some multiple mediums, that is the PHY mediums. Robustness to interference. Need to deal with hidden terminal problems. That is the PHY mediums means some physical layers is an electronic circuit usually implemented as an integrated circuit to require some physical layers functions. You seen in OSI models also. It has some requirement need to provision for time bounded services, as well as support for power management to save some battery power, and the ability to operate some worldwide, and it will be uses 2.4 gigahertz some ISM bands. System architecture, there are two basic system architectures: ad hoc and infrastructure. Means there is the infrastructure and ad hoc networks. In many WLAN of today need an infrastructure network. Infrastructure network not only provide access to other networks but also include forwarding functions, that is the MAC. In infrastructure-based wireless network, communication typically takes place only between the wireless nodes and the access point. but not directly between the wireless nodes. To work one logical wireless network access point together with fixed network in between connect several wireless networks and actual radio coverage. In ad hoc wireless network, one do not need any infrastructure to work. Each node can communicate directly with other nodes, so no access point controlling medium access is necessary. It shows two ad hoc networks with three nodes each. It can only communicate if they can reach other physically. Ad hoc networks complexity of each node is higher because every node has to implement media access mechanisms and handle hidden or export terminal problems. This is the ad hoc network, three ad hoc networks, some stations, group of stations for the different radio frequencies and different basic service sets. No any wired network will be connected with each other. No any infrastructure in the ad hoc wireless network. And this is the infrastructure means this is the different types of ad hoc networks. Some base station A and base station B, it will be distribution system with connected with wireless, some sensors, some access points, and some stations will be connected with antennas for the wireless area coverage purpose. It will be connect cells from different networks. The access point associated with it, so it supports some roamings as well as it synchronize the time, some power management support, point coordination functions, and direct communication will be possible. Next, in distribution system, it will be used in interconnect some multiple cells, wireless cells. Multiple base stations are connected to the extended services set, that is the ESS, and it also allows some mobile station to access fixed sources. It is not part of 802.11 standard. MAC layer, already seen the MAC layer functions, that is medium access control protocol. It distributed coordinator functions, and it is mandatory access mechanisms for the CSMA CD as well as CSMA CA. Optional RTS and CTS extensions for the hidden terminal problem, that is the clear channel assessment signal, and point coordination function, that is the contention free polling method. In MAC services, some synchronization specify the timing synchronization function, that is the TCF. The Bacon signals contains timestamp and nodes will be adjusted with their timing according to the timestamp. Infrastructure based network, that is the access point relay the Bacon signal, where central element controls network flow. This type of network can use different access schemes without collisions. Collisions may occur if media access of the wireless nodes. Power management, two states for station, sleep and awake. That is the trans receiver is switched off whenever it is not needed. Trans receiver wakes up periodically and checks whether there are any data frames for it buffer. Ad hoc networks, Ad-hoc network and complexity of each node is higher because every node has to implement medium access, no access point to buffer the data, and every station each station have to the ability to buffer data, and it will be communicate with some power saving stations, and all station will be announced as buffered list with frames. Roaming, that roaming station will start scanning for a new access point if current link quality is very poor, otherwise it will be not accessible. Till scanning and passive scanning as well as active scanning, it selects some best access points based on some signal strength. Select the AP informs DS, that is which updates is in database. Physical layer supports in three different physical layers, that is the infrared radio transmissions, infrared transmissions, frequency hopping, spectrum, as well as direct sequence. These two do not interpret with one another. It will be achieved almost 1 to 2 Mbps radio waves. The announcement of 802.11, it specifies the most famous family of WLAN in which many products are available. It supports two new speeds, that is the 5.5 and 11 in Mbps. The primary goal of the standard was the specification of simple and specific LAN which offers time-bounded and asynchronous services. The MAC layer should be able to operate with multiple physical layers, each of which exhibits different media and senses. The system, the DSS, is the sole physical system layer technique. That is the direct sequence spread spectrum. It is the physical layer technique. It is used to reduce overall signal interference. The direct sequence modulation makes the transmitted signal need having the wider bandwidth and the information bandwidth. The system will be perforated with 1 Mbps and 2 Mbps with DSS system as well as FHS, that is the frequency for hopping spread spectrum, is transmitting the radio signals by rapidly changing carrier frequency. And it is then complementary code keying, that is the CCK, to encode 4 bits per carrier to get 5.5 Mbps and 8 bits per carrier, and to get 11 Mbps. Thank you. Thank you, Subha.